Good YouTube. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to breathe correctly because I know a lot of you guys have been doing it the bad way. All right, let's get into the video. So before we start, I'm going to tell you guys we have three different stages of breathing. Okay, I know all of you don't know about this. You guys really don't know about this because in a world of today, nobody's gonna teach you how to do it, but it's only me. It's only me. So we have three stages. Number one stage is the stage of whereby you are preparing the nostril. You are preparing the nostril for accepting the air. You are preparing the nostril, like you prepare it first of all. The second stages of breathing is the attraction of the air. Like your nose is there, the nostril is already prepared, you attract it. Okay, you attract it in, like, no, you see, you are attracting it. I don't know if you understand me. So you attract it, because some people just be like we breathing. No, no, that's not how to breathe. You attract it into the nose. Then after attracting it, another stage is to take it down. Like, taking it down is another stage on its own, because you how taking it down is another stage of its own. Okay, I don't know if you're understanding me right now. If you're understanding, let me know in the comments. So taking it down is the third stage, and there are different techniques of breathing. Like, do you get me? Okay, so number one technique is, we have breathing. Like, let's say you think you are doing the right thing, you are doing it wrong. All of you are doing it wrong. It's only me that is doing it right, because I know how to breathe correctly and others don't know it. So let me tell you guys the second one is what is this? What, are you trying to sweep with your breath? Are you trying to sweep with your breath? What is that? And the third one is do you want to vomit through your nose? Do you want to vomit through your nose? Ah, you calm down. You do. You see, wait, you do. You see, like, it has not yet go down. Like, I prepared the nostril, I attracted it into, then taking it down. Like, you see, like, then that is the final stage, and that is how to breathe correctly. Because you people just be like, they don't do it like that. Hope you understand me clear. And no, my ex is kind of doing me some shit, like and so.